but she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ymari if you're new here, and if you're not, thank you for stopping by again. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a tutorial kind of on the NYX Brow Glue. And I'm also going to be using the Juvia's Plays Eye Sculpt Eye Shade Brow Pen. So initially I wanted to use the NYX, forgot what it's called, some kind of brow pen. Of course they didn't have it because everything that goes viral is sold out. Like honestly, it makes me feel like makeup and clothes and things like that are like shoes. Like what is going on with the stock of everything? Like there's some shoes that came out on Tuesday and literally impossible to get. I'm on the website at 7 o'clock and there's nothing, there's no hope. Anyway, so I just applied the glue and I'm gonna go in with like the end of a makeup brush and smooth the hairs down to kind of like, I don't know, glue them down to my skin. Low-key, I feel like I'm using edge control on my eyebrows, but hey, if it works, it works. So I'm gonna use the edge of my spoolie and kind of drag it along the top so the hairs aren't really sticking straight up. I know some people actually like that look, but we're not gonna do that today. So after I've done that, I'm going to let it like dry a little bit, get tacky, and then go in with the Juvia's Plays Eye Sculpt Eye Shade Pen. So with this, you have to be mindful of how much pressure you're actually putting on the pen because it's like a marker, and the harder you go, the darker it will look. So this really helps you achieve the hair-like strokes without making it look too fake. So I hope you guys can see. And I was like, okay, like what? I'm using the color Espresso. Oops, you see that? You see that? Maybe like for me, it's just a little bit of a learning curve because I'm just not used to using this kind of product on my brow. But I like it. I like the look. I feel like your brows are like a huge part of your face, you know? It really makes a difference how your brows are shaped, how they're filled in. So just take your time. I'm just going in, and since I did kind of mess up, using my spoolie to blend that out a little bit more so it's not so harsh. Cleaning up my brows, and I'm using my foundation, which is the Fenty Pro Filter. I'm using the shade 420. I'm going to actually obviously blend this out some. So but like look at my brow, it's like staying on. It's honestly edge control for your eyebrows. What? Okay, NYX. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the other side off camera and then show you guys what my face looks like once they're both done. So my brows are done, and let me just show you guys what they're looking like. I feel like they came out really good. I do think that like maybe I need some more practice just holding the brow pen. If I hold it at like an angle, then it makes it a little bit easier. So if you ever get this and you want to try it out, you know, just hold your hand at an angle so you can be in more control of the brush strokes. But other than that, I feel like everything turned out really well. Definitely go out if you can find these products, try them. It's the NYX Brow Glue and the Eye Sculpt Eye Shade Brow Pencil from Juvia's Plays. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. Try it out. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.